All right, we're here to start our initial cut on this floor. It's the existing warehouse, been beat up. They've done all the repair work. We're now using the first diamond, and we're going to use the Proseco Consolidate First Cut, aptly named. This is a surfactant blend designed to make your diamonds cut more efficiently, keep the slurry solids up away from the diamond tooling so they cut efficiently. So you get a better cut, quicker cut, better diamond life. It is designed to be used straight. This particular application, they're pre-mixing it in a barrel and pouring it in the water tank on their grinders. So this particular application, we're putting it in the grinder water tank. A lot of grinders don't have water tanks. If you don't have that ability, you want to pre-wet the floor, spray the first cut down undiluted with a pump-up sprayer. For this process here, they do have the water tanks. They're pre-diluting it and putting the water in the first cut down in one easy application. But the normal application that we put in the product data sheet, have a pre-damp floor, spray the stuff undiluted. It comes out the same at the end. This is just more efficient for their operation here. We're starting with 30 grit metals, and this will eventually work up to a 400. And the first couple cuts, the first two metals, we're using the first cut. See how easy this squeegees up. This first cut makes the slurry stay in suspension, so it cleans a lot easier, just the squeegeeing across it. I'm not getting any mud residue left. So it's a lot easier to clean, and you'll see when he comes back with auto scrubber, picks it all up. One pass, we're picking up this heavy slurry from a aggressive 30 grit diamond. The first cut here is already mixed in the drum. You can see the foam. That leads to the next thing. You always want to have a defoamer in your pickup machine, whether it be a wet dry vacuum or an auto scrubber. You want to put defoamer in it, but this is a surfactant. It does make suds. That is what makes it clean and keeps the slurry from messing up your the diamond cutting tool. It also does not affect the final product of the slurry. The slurry could still use any of the slurry consolidation products. The chemical, the surfactant, doesn't affect that. Makes cleanup easier. Since the slurry is all frothed up, the automatic scrubber picks it up a lot easier, squeegees right off. When you go to clean up your equipment at the end, it just washes right off. It doesn't stick to the metal underneath the machine like normally slurry does. Cleans up real easy. So it cuts better, you can cut faster, easier cleanup. Just a more efficient, and you're going to get the best cut with this product than cutting with plain water or dry cutting.